In the past several years, there has been some heavy competition in the humanoid robotics sector, but one flew under my radar and recently caught my attention, and I'm surprised more people haven't been talking about it, and that's the GR-1 by Fourier Intelligence. The company announced a breakthrough in the perception technology of the GR-1 and has an advanced camera-only vision solution, including a bird's-eye view, transformer models, and an occupancy network, with it being the first humanoid robot to adopt this visual perception technology. This camera-only approach reduces system hardware costs while also improving the environmental perception of the GR-1, resulting in safer and more efficient operations. The company installed 6 RGB cameras around the robot that provide a full 360-degree view, giving it the ability to sense its environment from all angles, generating BEV images for accurate identification and tracking. Based on those images, the robot uses transformer models to convert each complex environment into three-dimensional spatial features, making it easier for it to understand its environment and access occupancy possibilities. Unlike other humanoid robots, the GR-1 is able to carry up to 110 pounds, which is nearly its own weight. This will allow the robot to handle tasks like carrying immobile patients between beds and chairs when needed. That's right, you heard me. Instead of assembly line work or warehouse production, Fourier's CEO Zin Ko said, the GR-1 could be a caregiver, a therapy assistant, or a companion at home for the elderly who stay alone. The system itself can achieve self-balanced walking and perform different tasks. We can program it to sit, stand, and jump. You can program the arms to pick up utensils and tools and perform tasks as the engineer desires. According to Euronews reports last year, 100 units were to be shipped by the end of 2023 to R&D labs, where 100 different robotics teams would try 100 different ways of making the GR-1 smarter and more capable. The bot stands at 5 feet 5 inches tall and weighs 121 pounds, with a max walking speed of 3 miles per hour, which isn't impressive on the racetrack, but is suited well for caregiving and physical therapy. And it looks like the purple section of its hips were designed to act as grip handles for people to grab onto to get themselves out of a chair or out of bed, like something you'd see all over a rehab center. It's a sad likelihood that in the not-too-distant future, some countries won't have enough working-age people in the workforce to provide care for older folks due to a huge decrease in the birth rate. My problem with this is that older patients need human connection and interaction. Many of them don't have family left to visit them, and adding a cold, soulless machine with no understanding of empathy into the mix is only going to make people feel isolated and more disconnected from society. Now, I can see a lot of really lonely people in the future where patients interact with machines instead of other people. I can see robots eventually replacing jobs that people have in this sector, leaving them jobless with degrees they can't use anymore. I can see this fractioning our sense of community, and I don't see this being a healthy long-term solution for humanity. Do you see this being a good thing or a bad thing for us in the future? Let me know in the comments section below, and to stay up to date with future content, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, save that money.